Good morning. Here for this video, I will be explaining to you what is uh, runtime polymorphism, and here I already created or I already encode the syntax that we needed to run this program, which is runtime polymorphism. First, polymorphism is there's one action to be called, but it will be uh, there's an uh, multiple ways to be executed. So here we need the parent class. We will be seeing the parent class or the parent class and the subclass relationship, or the child class relationship, the parent class relationship to the uh, child class. So here, let's first here it is as you can see, here is class women. It is the our parent class, and the subclass that we will be extended to, that will inherit the method that we are giving here. The method that we are giving here is it, and the message that we will be getting if we call the if we decided to run the method for or we decided to call the class of for the human, is we will be getting the message human is eating. And then here the subclasses, we have also here the two subclasses that the man extend woman, and then the baby extends man. So there has one method that this three classes is using, which is it. So the two subclasses will inherit the method for the parent class, which is it. So if we in the on the runtime, if we decided to call the method or the class man, it the system or the Java will giving us the message man is eating lechon. And if we decided naman to call the class for baby, and the Java will give us, or the console will give us the result of baby is eating. Here on this part, on the last part, on here we are giving the character to uh, the to different classes, so that we will be uh, our what method to be called. So here at the first at the first, I will show you uh, the on the runtime the three messages that we will be getting, because we decided to call these three method, or the method or the class of three, which is the for the parents, it is for the man, and it is for the uh, baby. So let's run it, and we here, as we see here, we getting the three messages from for the uh, for the uh, three subclasses, the one for the parent class, and then we have here the uh, two subclass, which is the man for the and the baby. So during the runtime, it is says that runtime polymorphism, we are we are one who decide which method or which class to be run. And there are there in here, there is one just one method. It is for the from the parents, and the subclasses are just inherit the method that the parents has. But we will be getting different message from the console if we decided just to call which class we want to call. So here, for example, let me show what it means. So if here we decided just to call the parent class, and let me erase it. Let me erase it. So we will just here, if we do that, we will just see the message woman is eating. So then let's run it. If I'm saying the right uh, message. So here, as you can see, the only thing that we get, or the only message that we get is the method for the parent class, which is human is eating. So it is says that runtime polymorphism, because we are deciding what method to be executed and what class to be called. And so, and if we decided naman uh, to run the message or the method for the man, let's call it subject object one, and it here. So it, and let's erase it. Let's erase the method or the call time for uh, the parents. And so let's run it, and we are expecting just what it what we are put here. The man is eating lechon, and here we in the console we get the message man is eating lechon. So here, we decide that to we decide that we are the on during the runtime, we decided that just to call the method for class man. And if we decided naman to call during the runtime for the class baby, so let's run it. Let's sub object to it. So let's run it, and the console should give us this message: baby is eating cereal. So let's run it, and here it is. And here it is. Baby is eating cereal. So that's why we called it a runtime polymorphism. We decide what class and what method to be called. And so at the end I will show you if it is working. The tree will work. If we call them to uh, to run. Okay, we will be calling the tree of this, the tree of it. Okay. So here we decide if we decide to call the tree class with the same method, we call it, and during the runtime we will be seeing three messages that we put on the different classes, the for the parents and the two subclasses or the child classes. And let's run it. So here we decided to call the tree, so we are getting the tree message, which is human is eating, man is eating lechon, and baby is eating cereal. So I hope that you get some idea what is runtime polymorphism, and I hope you like it, and thank you very much.